If your Bluetooth is connected but there is no sound, here's a step-by-step guide to fix it. First, make sure the volume is turned up on your device. You can use the volume buttons or drag down the quick settings panel and adjust it. Also, check the Bluetooth device itself. Since many speakers and headphones have their own volume controls, increase that too and see if it solves the problem. If the issue continues, head over to your settings. Now tap Connections, then tap Bluetooth. Find the connected device, tap on it. Now choose Forget this device. This is important because simply disconnecting might not fix the problem. Once the device is forgotten, put your Bluetooth speaker or headphones into pairing mode and reconnect them. If you're still facing this issue, then restart both devices. Go ahead and restart your Bluetooth device and then restart your phone. After both devices restart, return to Bluetooth settings and reconnect. At this point, the sound should work again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.